Have you ever heard about infrared sensors? As you know, this technology has applications in many areas today, and now they are widely used in vacuum cleaners too. Welcome to join us. My name is Lily and thank you for keeping up with us. Hopefully you will enjoy this video and will learn lots of new things about IR system and vacuum cleaners and how this technology improved household chores. And this sensor has an important component in automatic control and the information collection system. So that's why listen carefully, okay? This is super important. So an infrared sensor in this kind of technology that can scan everything with a short whistle. Yeah, whistle, you heard me right. And the Redrod X17 vacuum cleaner that I brought to you guys today has an IR sensor function as well. With a whistle, you can find all the dust in your house, and not only that. So let's get straight to the point. The X17 automatically adjusts its power level according to the amount of the dust in the environment. So additionally, it's equipped with a smart brain microchip, which makes it smarter than ordinary vacuum cleaners in the whole market. Imagine that. So see this flashing right? It's a great way to observe the surroundings. Only testing results show the truth. So what are you waiting for? I have no idea. So, okay, let's get down to the business and try the dust sensing function first. As I remember, we call it like a whistle, right? Anyway, today we will allow all kind of unknown hidden dust and the gut deep in the carpet to finally to see the light of the day. So to do that, we have to select the automatic gear. This gear can automatically detect dust in the room. And as you can hear, the suction power has changed accordingly. I decided to try this function on the sofa again, but with this flat nozzle. Oh my God, no freaking way. I mean, look at this dirt. I had no idea my sofa was so dirty. Well, you know, I have to say that despite the fact that it's super convenient and easy to use, it also shows what kind of person you are. In this case, seems like I don't know what it's like to keep things clean at all. Thank you, Mr. Redrod. Appreciate it. Yay! Human inventors are well known for creating technologies that not only makes your life easier, better and more enjoyable and productive and so on. I have to admit that this Redrod X17 has successfully reached its goal. So basically, I no longer worry about where is the dirt hitting my house. When should I adjust the suction power because it makes decisions by itself. Because it's smart, handheld cordless vacuum cleaner, right? It will automatically sense how dusty your room is. Basically, you avoid lots of troubles by adjusting the gears. It will automatically adjust the level of the suction power, so it helps to save the battery lifespan and your electricity bills. Isn't it perfect? I think so. After all, let's admit that a cordless vacuum cleaner, God bless the person who invented it. Thank you. It's the best solution for Redrod provides it cleaning options for your house. Redrod provides various options in accessories that makes chores easier. I mean, look at this mite brush. Look at this one, so good. With this nozzle, you can collect every single mite that can be found. And this dusting brush not only perfectly cleans the hair and also will be convenient to you to use it as an AC cleaner as well. Overall, with the X17, it's extremely convenient to own several cats at the same time and keep up with your hygiene. Yeah, it's so great. Oh wow, this suction power is quite impressive. Can it hold this packet? No problem. I wish it could get rid of this rubbish like a dust on that sofa. Well, it worked out with the sofa, but not with a human being on the sofa. I mean, this is funny, right? So to make these things even harder, I decided to put randomly different type of debris and whatever I have straightly on the floor, like flowers, some hair, dog food, and the most disgusting thing I have, cat litter. And then let's mix it up. Oh my God, can it be more disgusting? No, thank you. After this mess, seems like even Dyson will be like, sorry, I'm out. But not the Redrod X17. Come on guys, with this function like 25k suction power, 330 watts and 100,000 revolution per minute, brushless motor, the X70 indeed won't let us down. Oh yeah, what about this lighting brush head? Yeah, look at this one. I personally use it as a flashing light to find the things what it might drop, under my bed. So it is so good. So by the way, there's 3 levels of the suction power that can be adjusted right here. Other than that, they developed several modes. Of course, the most used one is automatic mode. The manufacturer claims that the energy saving mode, it can last for 60 minutes and strong mode up to 50 minutes. The whole experience of using the vacuum cleaner is still great. Its weight is quite light. Even for me who doesn't work at all, the noise of the whole machine is absolutely fine. Anyway, after half day of vacuum routine, none of my neighbors complained or didn't start cleaning as they usually did previously when I used my noisy vacuum cleaner. Redroid endurance is not matter at all, but if you would like to extend the battery lifespan, you can buy a spare replacement battery that I did as well. You see, I bought it and I think it's better to prepare for any other cases. I have a question, is it worth buying a vacuum cleaner that can sense dust as the price of this? I think it's absolutely yes. The most important thing is that it's quite an intelligent creature that can be adjusted in suction power by itself, saving power and most importantly, your money. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you next time.